Hello student, it is the page number 6. A reading The Snake and the Mirror. Let's continue. I did not know anything for certain. What sex was the snake? Was it male or female? I will never know, for the snake unwound itself from my label arm and slowly slithered moved, twisting and turning into my lap. Lap means when you sit crossed leg, the surface between the knee and hip, that is called lap. From there it crept into the second form table and moved towards the mirror. Now doctor was thinking and he was telling, I didn't know whether the doctor was male or female, and he was telling, I never know how would I identify one snake is male or female. And after some time, means after that snake unwound itself, went means left free his arm and slowly third means moved into the lap, coming into his lap. From there he crept table and moved towards the mirror. He went there near the mirror. Perhaps he wanted to reflection at closer quarter means doctor was thinking snake like him. He was going very near to mirror and seeing his face and taking the decision. Like this snake also want to see his close look. That is why he went near the mirror. I was no mere image cut in a granite, means now he was not sit like a statue, that, and I was suddenly a man of flesh and blood, because snake moved from his shoulder. That is why now he did not sit like a statue. Granite is stone, and now he is again become active. His body movement started, because now he was thinking he is like an ordinary man. Still holding my breath, I got up from the chair, but he was still holding breath and got up from the chair. I quietly went out through the great door into the veranda, and from there I leapt into the rain, the yard, and rain from all I was worth. Worth means how much he had power. Now he quietly stood and slowly went near the door, and after that veranda, and after veranda he jumped and ran. How much strength he had, he ran from there. Few means it is a expression taking the sigh of relief. Each of us heaved a sigh of relief. All doctors means future doctor who were telling the story, everybody holding, because doctor was telling that story about that, and everybody was after that taking the sigh of relief. All of us with light beauties, and all the homeopath doctors who were listening, because they were future doctor there, and they light the beauty, and then after taking the relief, somebody asked, doctor, is your wife very fat? Because now that is the habit of the student, they would ask lot of question. Then one member ask out of them, one ask कि your wife is a fat lady now. No, the doctor said. God willed otherwise. It is the gold. God means blessing. My companion means life partner is a thin, ready means pleasant personality person with a gift of sprinter. Sprinter means fast runner. Like it means that life partner is a very slim and very pleasant personality who can run. Someone else asked, Doctor, when you ran, did the snake follow you? Then after this, one more question came. When you ran, this snake follow you? The doctor replied, I ran and ran till I reached my friend's home. Immediately, I smeared means applied oil and all over myself and took a bath. Doctor then replied, Doctor had not seen backside, just he was running only there, and immediately he reached in his friend's house, and after he had taken bath and apply the oil because that hand crushed by the snake. I changed into fresh clothes the next morning at the about 8:30. I took my friend and one or three others to my room to move my things from there. Up now he was telling, now next day I didn't go there. Next day morning I have taken my friend to take out to shift my all things, all my luggage, and I have taken 3-4 men also there, and some thief had removed most of my things now because he ran from there and without closing his door, and that is why some thief had removed me, taken all, stolen his all things, all items. The room had been cleaned out means nothing was left, but not really. The thief had left behind one thing as a final insult, but he was telling only nothing was there, but this thief left only one thing. What was there? Let's see.